Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demo you how to install PostgreSQL in Windows operating system. So first I will go to google.com and then I will search for Postgres download, and here I will click on the link, and here at the first we need to select Windows for Windows platform, and from this there is the first URL. You can see download the installer. So it will, once you will click on it, it will automatically download the latest version, which is PostgreSQL 15 for me. So here I will choose Windows x86 or 64 to install 64-bit. So I will click on download, and now you can see it will start downloading. Yeah, you can see at the top it has started downloading this video. Sorry, not video, the PostgreSQL. So for now I will pause the video, and now you can see download is complete. Or yeah, now we can start the installation. So I will click on open file and click on next, and then I will, for PostgreSQL server, I will keep that checked with pgadmin for UI, and I will keep rest everything else as it is and click on next. And here it will be the admin password, so make sure you would remember this password. So choose here very carefully, or enter your password very carefully so that you can remember for future. And here port, keep the port same, and yeah, now just keep clicking on next. Nothing to worry about anything here. So yeah, now you can see installation has started, and now it installation or almost going to complete the installation. And now I will uncheck this one because I don't want to do anything else right now. So I will click on finish, and installation is done. And now I will go to start menu, and here I will go to all apps, and here I will choose P to select Postgres, and here you can see folder is coming, and here I will click on pgadmin4 to open the GUI. Okay, so here you can see it has saying starting admin, pgadmin. So you can see it is waiting for pgadmin to start. So make sure you will also like wait here to for pgadmin to start here. It will take time, like it may take 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but yeah, you have to wait. Or you can do one thing, that you can start pgadmin and just keep waiting, maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, and then you can try restarting the pgadmin again, and it will definitely work in that scenario. Okay, so I have seen these kind of cases in like installation of pgadmin or PostgreSQL. So just make sure that you will wait. So now you can see it has thrown an error or something, so nothing to worry about it. Okay, just uh, and okay, so what I will do here, uh, I will just this is just simple thing. So yeah, there is nothing in the configure as well. So port, I will not change anything else for the port number. Okay, and here I will just click on cancel or close to close this. Like you can also see save button is disabled here. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to change the, yeah, I'm not going to change any port. So yeah, now I will again go to pgadmin. Okay, so you can see it is coming in the search as well. So now you can see it is starting, and it is waiting for pgadmin 4 to start, and just keep waiting. It uh, it will come. Okay, and now you can see here it is going pgadmin 4 started in the at the bottom, and now you can see it is starting. And here you need to enter the master password for pgadmin. Okay, and once you will click on server, it will have a default database. You can see here postgresql is coming here, and here I will enter the old password what I just entered during installation. And you can see the database is already here, which is Postgres, and we can also create another database, and I will put it as a name test. I will save it. Okay, now it's saving. Yeah, you can see it now. Test database is also coming here, and here I will go to schema, and inside schema you can see I can create a new schema as well. So I will add a schema with the name of account. Okay, and inside the schema we can add tables or procedures or anything. Okay, so here we have a table. I will go ahead and create a table. Okay, and we can also add columns from here by clicking on plus button, and I will name it as ID, and then the type, its type is big int or int or anything we can do. Okay, big int. Let me type again. Okay, and I can set here no null or not null, but yeah, I will keep it as a primary key, so need not to set not nullable constraint. Now in the next I will use name. Here I will set varchar, and but here we don't have the varchar, but here I will use uh, character varying. Let's see. Okay, this is just a simple demo, like how we can create table in Postgres. Okay, and you can also click on rows to count the rows. So, but right now we don't have any row in the table, so you can see here table row counted as 0. Okay, from here we can write queries as well. Okay, so this is a default query here. Create table if not exist. Okay, so I hope you are getting. So I hope uh, you have learned like how to install the PostgreSQL in Windows operating system. So make sure to so that is all guys in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.